Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we will explain how you can get approved for Level 2 options trading on Robinhood. So let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone. Then, tap on the profile icon that's the person-shaped icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the three-line menu icon at the top of the screen to open the menu. From here, select Investing. Now, scroll down until you find the Options Trading section. You will notice it's disabled by default. To enable it, simply tap the Enable Options Trading button. Once you do that, a new screen will appear. Tap Continue to start the approval process. Robinhood will now ask you a few basic questions about your trading experience. For example, do you know how to enter an option spread? Answer these questions as accurately as possible. Next, you will be asked to provide some personal information, such as your income, experience level, and investment goals. Fill that out carefully. After completing the questions, you will need to review and accept the options agreement. Tap Agree to proceed. Once that's done, Robinhood will review your application and let you know if you've been approved for options trading. If you are approved for Level 2, you will be able to start trading options, including buying calls and puts or selling covered calls. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.